Hello, and welcome to Games, a gentle approach to math, Excel, and stats. I am Professor Robert J. McKeown. I am an assistant professor teaching stream in the Department of Economics at York University, and it's my great privilege to welcome you here today. Games was designed to prepare you, the learner, for quantitative subjects in business, economics, and the social sciences. Our course is going to be of most benefit to those of you who are, maybe you're making the transition from high school to college and university. Or maybe you're a mature learner and you're looking to refresh your math skills, or possibly learn math and stats for the first time. Or maybe you are someone who's looking to upskill your math and stats in order to switch majors, possibly add a minor, or even prepare you for studies in a graduate program. Games puts you, the learner, at the center of the course with our interactive videos and practice problems. You'll have the opportunity to see me in a number of future lecture videos, but for now, I'll take this opportunity to allow my colleagues to introduce themselves.
I want to take a moment to introduce myself since I'll be giving so many of your lectures. I'm Catherine Pfaff. I'm a math professor at Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario. I'm originally from Washington State, right across from Canada. And then I've embedded kind of these interactive questions in the lectures, and I think they're important. So I think they're important first off because sitting watching videos, it's really hard to stay focused and concentrate and actually get anything out of them. So which is why I've started embedding questions in my lectures when I was remote teaching, and the students said that this was really helpful to them. And then there are also problems in the course. It's always important to do problems. You can listen to me talk and think you understand everything, and then somebody throws a problem in front of you. You're like, I have no clue what's going on. But actually that struggle with the problems is a lot of how our minds it helps us to sort out the material. It helps us understand what we don't understand. I hope that this will be helpful and useful, and maybe even a little enjoyable. And I will see you in the lectures.
Hi, I am Sumon Majumdar, the third member of this trio. I'm a faculty member in the Department of Economics at Queen's University. You'll see a lot of me in the videos, and you'll recognize a lot of idiosyncrasies that I have. For example, I say the word right a lot, right? So in this course, we'll not only be introducing you to the various mathematical concepts, but we'll also be putting them in perspective in the sense of where these are useful in subjects such as economics or business or politics or in the social sciences in general. At the same time, we'll also be introducing you to various tools that you can use in spreadsheet software such as Excel or Google. And these are useful skills to have because they really help you ease up computations and statistical calculations. And these are useful skills to have not only for academics, but also in the job market and your future career, whether you are in academics as a graduate student or a research assistant, or in the non-academic sector, because Excel and Google Sheets are widely used in most places. So hopefully you'll find the course useful, and you will remember the concepts from it and carry it forward to your other courses or to your job in the future. So if you like the course, please be sure to also mention it to your friends so they can also benefit from it. Enjoy the course.